To everyone, in the previous video we had completed our question number 1, 2 and 3 from exercise 14.3. Okay, so in this video we are going to see the exercise 14.3 question number 4 and 5 which is left yesterday. So please write down, this one is exercise 14.3 question number 4 and 5 we are going to do in this video, and in the previous video we had already completed question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now let's see what is said in question number 4. It is said that divide, isn't it? A simple division we have to do over here. Now let's see how to divide the numbers. What's the question we are having? The question is 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. This is the question we are having. We have to divide it with 2x plus 1, isn't it? Now, from the question itself, we can easily see that 2x plus 1 is present in the numerator as well as 2x plus 1 is present in the denominator. So, it can directly get cancelled. Now, what is the number left out? That is 5 into 3x plus 1. This is the answer. If you want to multiply this 5 inside the bracket, you can multiply. So, it will become 15x plus 25. This answer is also correct. Clear? If you don't want to multiply, the answer will be this one. Both the ways it is correct. Clear? Now, in the second question, in the question number 4 second part, what is the question we are having? That is 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4, isn't it? Divided by 13x into y minus 4. Now you can see that in the numerator and denominator, y minus 4 is present in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So it can easily get cancelled. Now what is the number left out? That is 26xy into x plus 5 upon 13x, isn't it? Now x and x will again get cancelled. 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are is 26. So what is the answer left out? That is 2y into x plus 5. Clear everyone? What is answer is 2y into x plus 5 is the required answer. Now in the second question, what we are having, the question is 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P divided by 104 PQ into Q plus R into R plus P, isn't it? Now R plus P is present in the numerator and denominator, so it will be get cancelled, as well as Q plus R is present in the numerator and denominator, so it will be get cancelled, isn't it? Q plus R as well as R plus P both are present on the numerator and denominator, so easily we can get cancel it, isn't it? Now here P and Q again is present in the numerator and denominator, so it will be again get cancelled. So what is left out? That is 52 R into P plus Q upon 104. This is the number which is left out. Now 52 ones are in the table of 52, 52 comes one time, and in the table of 52, 104 comes two times. So what is the answer is? That is R into P plus Q upon 2 we are having as an answer. Clear everyone? Now next one, fourth part of the question. In this fourth part of the question, let's see what is given. That is 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 whole divided by 5 into y plus 4. Now you can see, student, that y plus 4 is present in the numerator and denominator, so easily we can cancel it, isn't it? Now if 5 ones are and 5 ones are 5 and 5 4s is 20, so 20 upon 5 will again get cancelled. So what is the answer left out, or whatever things left out is 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 is the answer. Clear? Why we are not solving again like that? Because it is extending that is no value, that's why. Now next question is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 1 we are having, isn't it? Now you can see that x is present in the numerator and denominator, so it will be get cancelled. In the same way, x plus 1 is present in the numerator and denominator, so again it will be get cancelled. What is the number left out? That is x plus 2 into x plus 3. If you will open the bracket and at multiply, it will become x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So x square plus 5x plus 6. This answer is also correct, or if you will stop the solution here, that also will be correct answer for this. Clear, student? Next, question number 4, fourth part. 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided 2y into z plus 8, that is 8. Okay, so we have to divide it, isn't it? So before dividing something inside the bracket, that is 6z can be written as 8z minus 2. Why we are writing like that, I will explain you. See here what had been done over there. Here 6z is written as plus 8z minus 2z, because 8 minus 2 is 6 itself. So we had going to write in this form. Okay, why we are writing in this form? Because we have to make pair of z square plus 8z and 2z minus 16 we have to make pair, that's why. So 4yz comes from the question itself, into when we are going to make the pair of z square plus 8z, we can take common z from that. So z plus 8 is left inside the bracket. Okay, taking minus 2 common from this two term, so what is left out? That is z plus 8 divided by 2y plus z plus 8. Now moving to the next step, when we are going to write in the form of numerator and denominator, z plus 8 is present in the numerator and denominator, it will be get cancelled, isn't it? Now 2 2's is 4 and 2 1's is 2. Y again it will be get cancelled. What is left out? That is 2z into z minus 2 is left out. So have you understood why we had written 6z in the form of 8z minus 2z? Because we have to make the pair and taking common, so that it will be get cancelled with the denominator z plus 8, that's why. Clear? If we are not going to write like that, the z plus 8 will not going to be cancelled. So what is the answer for that? That is 2z into z minus 2 is the required answer. Clear? Next question number 5th, that is 5pq into p square minus q square divided 2p into p plus q. Now here a square minus b square is equals to, what's the formula or identity is? A plus b into a minus b. This is the identity which is going to be used. So here p square minus q square is written in the form of identity, that is p plus q into p minus q. So the solution will be 5pq into p plus q into p minus q upon 2p into p plus q. Now p plus q is present in the numerator and denominator, it will be get cancelled. P is present in the numerator and denominator, again it will be get cancelled. What is left out? That is 5q into p minus q upon 2 is the required answer. Clear? Now 5th question. What is said in the 5th question? It is said that factorize and divide it. Okay, we have to do the factorizations along with the division. So what is the question we are having? That is y square plus 7y plus 10 divided y plus z we are having, isn't it? Now 7y can be written in the form of 2 plus 5, because 7 is equals to 2 plus 5 is equals to 7 itself, isn't it? That's why 7y is written as 2y plus 5y. Why we are writing it like that? Because we have to make it a pair, and then we have to take a common. So making the pair of the first two terms, that is y square plus 2y and plus 5y plus 10. Why we had written 7y in the form of 2y plus 5y? Because we have to make the pair of these two terms as well as these two terms. That's why 7 is written in the form of 2y plus 5y. Now taking common among this y square plus 2y, y can be taken common. So what is left out? That is y plus 2 is left out, isn't it? Among this 5y plus 10, which will be taken common? 5 will be taken common. So what is left? 5y plus 2 is left, isn't it? Now y plus 2 and y plus 2 is again common in both the terms. So y plus 2 is again taken common. What is left out? That is y plus 5, isn't it? Whole divided by y plus 5 is there. So y plus 5 will be get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. What is left out? That is y plus 2 is left out. So have you understood, student, why we had written 7y in the form of 2y plus 5y? Because we have to make the pair, and after making the pair we have to take common. Why we are doing so? Because the denominator y plus z is not being easily, it cannot be get cancelled until and unless we won't expand 7y in the form of 2y plus 5y. Okay, that's why it being done. Similarly, for second part of the question, m square minus 14m minus 32 divided m plus 2. Now m square minus 14 can be written as plus 2 minus 16. Of course it can be written. Now making the pair of m square plus 2m, and then making the pair of what? Making the pair of minus 16 minus 6 minus, if we will take common outside the bracket, it will become plus 16m plus 32, isn't it? Now m square plus 2m, I will write and show you how it will be being taken common. So look, m square plus 2m is first paired, okay. Then second pair, minus we will take at a common in order to make it as a positive number. So what is left out? That is plus 16 plus 32m will be inside the bracket. Now m will be taken common. What is left? M plus 2 will left out. 16 and 16 is present. 16 to is 32. So 16 is being taken common. So what is left out? M plus 2. Now m plus 2 is taken common. So m plus 2 will be taken common. What is left out? M minus 16 is left out as this. Now see, while dividing m plus 2 is present in the numerator and denominator. So what is the number left out? That is m minus 16, which is the required answer. Clear? Then third part, 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided p minus 1. Now minus 25p, we can write it as, before writing or before splitting minus 25, we can take 5 as a common, or you can split directly, no issue. Okay, I either take 5 common because 5 is present on all the three terms. That's why 5 is being taken. If you don't want to take common, can split 25 and make the pair of the two numbers and then take common. Whatever the method you feel easy, can solve by that particular method. Okay. So if we are going to take 5 as a common, what is left out? That is p square minus 5p plus 4 divided by p plus 1, isn't it? Now 5p is written in the form of minus p minus 4p, isn't it? So now making the pair of the p square and making the pair of p square minus p, and second one making the pair of minus p minus 4, 4p minus 4, isn't it? So p will be taken common. What is left out inside the bracket? That is p minus 4. Now when 4 is taken common, what is left out inside the bracket? That is p minus 1 divided by p minus 1, isn't it? Now p minus 1 is present in the numerator and denominator. When it will be get divided, what is the answer left out? That is p into p minus 4 is left out. Then sixth question. Before solving the sixth question, okay, if some questions part is left, please try to solve with your own. Okay, I think after third part I had given the sixth part solution. So the two part, that is fourth and fifth, try to do with your own. 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square divided 4xy into 3x plus 4y. Dividing the number. So 9x square minus 16y square can be written in the form of a square minus b square, that is 3x square whole square minus 4y whole square. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b, so it will be 12xy into 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y divided 4xy into 3x plus 4y. Clear? Now after writing this in the form of identity a plus b into a minus b, we can see that 3x plus 4y can easily get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. xy will get cancelled. 4 and 12 will also get cancelled. So what is the answer left out? That is 3 into 3x minus 4y is the required answer which will be left out. Clear? So these are the solutions. So question number 5, it's fourth and fifth part as well as the seventh part is your homework. So dear students, please try to do it as a homework. Clear everyone? Thank you everyone.